If your students can't stop tapping and you want to give them something new, try this beginner combo to the song My Shoes Have Plans, and make sure you watch all the way to the end to find out how to get the music and the written notes for free. Before we break it down, let's take a look. Well, there you have it. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. Now let's break it down, teacher speed. Starting with the right foot. Step, heel, big step, 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 stamp, clap, step, step, stamp, scuff, heel. I'm doing it again, 100%. Ready, go. Step, heel, big step, 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 stamp, clap, step, step, stamp, scuff, heel. One more time, counts. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, dig toe, step, step, dig toe, step, step, right buffalo, grapevine, grapevine. I'm gonna show it again. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, shuffle, ball change, fall, lap, ball change, step, clap, step, step, clap, step, step. Again, starting with right foot from the front. 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I'm gonna connect it from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time, and I'm going on. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, drag, heel, heel, step, step, drag, step, step, drag. I'm gonna do that again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And if your students are going to struggle, that's one of the spots. They're likely to fall over all over the place a little bit. And what you're going to have them do is gently tighten up their stomach muscles, keep their stomach directly over that standing leg, and as soon as their head comes around, they're going to focus their eyes on a single pinpoint. So boom, 2, 3. Stomach tight, overstanding, and eyes focused on that single pinpoint. That'll give them the best chance of doing it with balance and control. All right, let's connect this from top. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. If your students are getting it really well, you want to have them maximize the style. So instead of just 1 and 2 and 3 and, no, twist, twist, move it, move it, move it, knees up, right? So all of that, maximizing my twist, dig goes this way, going way back out, and then popping that knee up. Things like that are going to give it some style and pizzazz, I'm dating myself here, to make it look fun, right? Cool. If you're having a great time, you're going to love our Lifetime All Access Pass from UnitedTaps.com. You'll get the extended version of this combination, plus we have lessons and across-the-floor combos, and we have choreography and a huge tap dictionary and syllabus. Just a ton of content to make teaching easier and a lot more fun. To find out more, just click on the link down below in the description. All right, let's give this a shot with music. The song is My Shoes Have Plans, and we're starting at 3 minutes and 22 seconds into the song. Let's give it a shot and see how it goes.
They turn my errands until Friday night.
5, 6, 7.
The They turn my errands into Friday night.
5, 6, 7.
The whole world's waiting. My shoes have plans, let them have their way. They've taken the lead and they're setting me free. I had plans for my shoes, but my shoes had plans for me.
Well, thank you so much for tapping with me. If you want to get the music and the written notes all for free, just click on the link down below. Also down there, you can find out more information about our lifetime all access pass at UnitedTaps.com. Thanks again for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making teaching tap easier for you.